Today's Professionals brought to you by The Basement Doctor.
Hi everyone, we're back on location today with John Clements, the Basement Doctor.
How's it going?
Great. Okay, we are in this lovely home,
Again.
built about 100 years ago, and I see a lot of water. Where's it coming from?
Outside. How's that for an answer?
That's a great answer.
There's actually two spots that it's coming from, okay?
Okay.
Right now we're in a 100-year-old house, poured concrete walls, the poured concrete floor.
Right.
The most common place for any basement to leak, Brenda, is right here. It's where the wall and floor joint comes together.
Okay.
Because there's nothing that makes those two forms of concrete bond or stick together.
Okay.
If you look close, you can see here where somebody has actually plugged it with that paint that we talked about last week, trying to dam up that area.
Right.
The second place is right here. You can see the staining right along the crack as it goes down the wall. So water is actually penetrating right here.
Okay.
The easiest description, if there's a hole in the bottom of a boat, water's going to come in the boat. There's two holes here. One is the crack in the wall. One is the seam where the wall and floor joint comes together. It's called the cove area. It is the most common place for any basement to leak. We see it all the time. Okay, so there's another spot that this can leak as well. If you take a look, you can see the streaks running down the wall here.
Right.
That came from this leaky window.
That looks pretty inefficient.
Well, single pane of glass, we'll talk
Right.
about that next week.
Okay.
But yeah, this can leak and the water can run down and also cause the same problem that you have here today.
Okay. And I'm guessing, John, you have some remedies.
You're going to see that here in the next couple weeks as we continue this journey down the road.
I'm
But
excited.
yeah, we can fix it to the point where you'll see a finished basement when we're done. Carpet, drywall, that kind of a situation in the same old basement.
Great. Well, we will look forward to that. Thanks, John. Thanks for being here, everyone. We'll see you next time.